You with no makeup or filter, build your confidence Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, I will go out of that page and you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YDT. And then from here you have to go to viral now at highlights and you have to click until you find the desired sticker. So here you'll find only trending and viral stickers. So there we have it, is the last one, and from here you have to click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, you can go to the first pinned comment where I put a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on this button. So from here you have to go to your gallery, to your uploads, which is in the left bottom corner, and choose a photo with you. So I will go with a random photo with my boyfriend right now, because this is just an example for you guys, and you can place your photo where you want it or make it bigger or smaller by using your two fingers. And you can do the same thing with the filter, you can move it and make it bigger or smaller. So from here you just have to click on send to, then click to share to your story, and then hit on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below, because I will answer them as quickly as possible. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.